So what woodworking is essentially we find a project, find out what our cut list is, what we need for lumber, and then we essentially kind of build it into what our project is meant to be. A lot of instructions are involved in this. The project that you're going to see throughout the video is something that the middle school gym teachers came to talk about or ask about. We're making cornhole boards, so it's pretty fun to get into that production style of woods class, type of class and stuff like that. Essentially the progression of these classes, some start as low as 7th grade. I don't have any 7th graders mixed in with the high school, but the middle school has turned into essentially middle school woods. So 7th and 8th grade, you get the basics of it. Then you get into woods 1. Woods 1, we start out with like a wood widget, get your hands on all the machines, and then we just kind of expand from there to making a simple coat rack. And then one of our final projects is we kind of go through and make a table with no screws, staples, none of that, and it's all held together by wood glue and mortise and tenon joints. There are other classes that you can take, like a metals 1 and a metals 2, where we get into a lot of welding and so on and so forth. In there we do a lot of rebar projects, nameplates, personal projects, and then we also have Intro to ACE, which is more of your engineering and construction type, where we do basic in-home construction from sheetrock to wiring to framing walls. And then engineering wise, we do catapults, CO2 cars, balsa wood bridges, which are more competition based than grade based, to where we race them and stuff like that to see what produces the top speed or the farthest launch, or what bridge holds the most weight.
So my favorite project is probably the one we're working on right now, cornhole wood thing. The reason why I'm taking this class is because Shipman's a really good teacher. He helps us a lot, and I like working with wood.
Alright, so I think shop class, our woods class here, it's a really fun, hands-on class, and I think that's important for our schools. I like it. I'm sure a lot of my other classmates like it, and it's super fun for all of us to use our creative minds and come up with something. A few things I've learned is about different grits of sandpaper and whatnot, and how to use it on like which boards and how much you need.
I chose this class because I think it's a good opportunity to get hands-on work in the construction field. I think that might be a career that I'm interested in. Things I learned from this class, like hands-on, how to use power tools, stuff like that. It's been a really good opportunity to learn a lot of that hands-on stuff.